In the last 24 hours, security forces conducted extensive search operations and area domination in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the hill and valley districts of Manipur, resulting in significant arms and ammunition recoveries. During the operation, which focused on areas including Takhil village and Terabhai or Tuisenphai hills in Imphal East district, the security recovered one 303 rifle with a magazine, one carbine with a magazine, 15 live ammunition rounds, 2 HE-36 hand grenades, one WP green color number 80 Mark 1 grenade, one pistol and 49 empty cartridges. In addition to search operations, security forces ensured the movement of essential items along key national highways. A total of 77 and 246 vehicles carrying essential goods were escorted along National Highway number 37 and National Highway number 2 respectively. Strict security measures were implemented in all vulnerable locations and a security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches to ensure the free and safe movement of these vehicles. The operations also included extensive Naka checking with a total of 101 checkpoints set up across various districts in both hill and valley areas. Police detained 81 individuals in connections with various violations across the state.